Hi, this video is going to show you the various ways that you can contact patients using the Blink SMS facility. So the first thing to do is to go to My Account and just check that you have credits available to you. You can either buy credits here, or you may have the Fair Text option available to buy credits. So if we go back through to patient data, you would use this method if you were sending a specific message to a specific patient. So I have my patient here selected, Ruby Smith, and I want to send her a specific text message. So I'll go down to printing and comms and send letter, email, SMS. And then it takes me through to this recall stage 2 page. So I would then choose the message that I want to send to Ruby. You can have lots of different templates set up in here with different messages. Then I would go down to the bottom and select that I want to send her a text message and it's for clinical reasons, and then go ahead and send her the message. I would receive confirmation here to say that one text had been sent. Another way of sending a specific patient a message is through dispensing. So you can send them a receipt for an order placed. So if we go ahead and place an order, if we just do a private eye test for simplicity's sake in this instance, scroll down to the bottom, you'll see you can send a receipt by email and by SMS. So if we click that we want to send the receipt of this order placed to Ruby Smith, we'll receive confirmation again to say that that message has been sent, and then the patient will receive a text message with a link so that they can go ahead and have a look at the full invoice. Other ways of sending SMS text messages to patients is through recalls. There's a manual recall where you can go in and choose which type of recall letter you want to send. So if we send the first recall letter, you then go through and choose the dates that you want to send, that you want to choose the patients from, should I say. So if I choose a large date here because we haven't got many patients in this system, and then go through and find the patients. It's found 124 patients. You select the patients you want to send the message to, scroll down and choose next. And again, it will take you through to that recall stage 2 page again, where you choose the message that you want to send to those patients. And as long as they have a mobile number in their patient data information, the message will send to them. Then again, send SMS messages for clinical reasons. I won't go ahead and send this one, but if you click go, the confirmation will come up and tell you exactly how many text messages have been sent from that batch. Then you have auto recall, where you can set up parameters and then simply send messages whenever you want to send them, and it will automatically send from the parameters that we set up. So if you go into edit settings here, there's lots of different types of patients that you can send messages to. So if we have a look at this first one and we want to send the first recall letter, you can choose exactly how many days before the appointment is due that you want this message to go. So if we, for instance, choose 20 days before their appointment's due, we send it as an SMS message and you update that. It's then saved those parameters. And if you go back to recalls and auto recall, you simply have to click this one button, send spec recalls, and it'll send it to everybody within those parameters that we've just set up. And finally, another way is to send diary reminders. So if we go to System Admin and then go through to Reporting and Appointment Info, it will automatically come up with the next day, so tomorrow's diary appointments. Then if you click a search, I haven't got anybody in this system. If you search for the patients that have appointments on that day, they will come up in a list. If you click the patients that you want to send the message to and then send them an SMS, it will send a diary reminder to those patients that you've selected that they've got their appointment tomorrow. You can also choose different days if you want to do it a few days in advance. It's just another way of sending through appointment reminders. And I think that's all. Thank you.